Alright guys, here's broken hip. It's a black diamond. And unfortunately, it's the way back down. Whoa. We're at 4 o'clock, so I got to get back and literally just started raining here at 3 o'clock. Good news is I am about to service my headset and my crankset, and I am going to make a video of that, as we'll know how to do it on this Trek Marlin 6. So stay tuned, I have all the parts. It might be tonight or tomorrow. Here comes the mud. Oh my fucking. Alright guys, so we cut the handlebars off together. I am gonna go this headset for the night, and then in the morning I'm gonna finish up with the crankset. We did get a lot done. We did gold wrap the handlebars, this main headset bolt, so there goes the headset case right. Definitely. And here goes the fork. So I did buy a few tools. I do got this guy.